We are live with the SARB15. So obviously the dual safety system here, which we've spoken about before on the podcast. Squeeze off a few rounds.
So first impressions.
Very, very satisfying. Very satisfying to shoot. The audible nature of it is incredible. Really gives you a sense of the weight of the bolt coming back right in your ear. Ergonomically, actually, it feels very, very similar to a Steyr AUG. It's really nice to wield. I could really see this excelling in a CQB environment.